Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are here at this beautiful place which is the Baga Creek in Goa. Right now it is September 2020 and things have started to open up, and let's just go and see this beautiful place and I'm going to show you around. This is definitely some place to come and check out when you're here. This is where most of the locals come to spend the evening, but if you would like to come here and see this beautiful, incredible place, please do check it out. Also, if you're new to my channel, I do a lot of videos on all the beautiful places in Goa to check out, so definitely do subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions at all about Goa, you can comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you guys, because I'm a local Goan guy, so I'm definitely have the best information and I'll be definitely happy to help you guys. So guys, this is the beautiful Baga Creek over here that comes into the Baga beach over here. So as you can see over there, this is the Baga beach, which has a lot of tourists at the moment. So right now it is about 3:30 in the afternoon, so still there's quite a lot of tourists, and as you can see it's very beautiful over here. So this is a very nice place, and they have like these, okay, let me just show you around. So you have this nice little cement bar which you can sit on, and let me just go down and you see this, you can sit anywhere over here guys. So it's a very romantic place. If you're with a couple, this is, I mean, if you're a couple, this is a really nice place to hang out, and the view is absolutely incredible. So you have these little rocks, and over here you have the creek, which is, the water is very strong, so do not try to swim here because you will be swept straight into the sea over here. Of course nothing will really happen to you because it's very shallow over there. So this is a very famous spot for people to come and do fishing, so you can catch some of the best fish here in Goa over here. If you're into fishing, get a rod and come here, and it's very beautiful. So as you can see, we have some beautiful rocks here. So as I said, many people don't know about this place, so this is somewhere you can do a lot of Instagram pictures, and this is also where the famous Baga beach logo or whatever is over here. So it's a very nice place to come and click pictures, and you can keep on walking over here till you have this beautiful rock cliffs over there, and behind the rock cliffs is a hidden cove. But right now it rained today, so I'm not going to go right up there because of, you know, the mud being slippery and everything. But there is actually a path now that they didn't have before, so I'll just show you all the cliffs from here, which is very beautiful. You can walk from the path over there right up. So let's just see the cliffs. So as you can see, the cliffs are very beautiful over here. And this is Instagram paradise guys. If you want to click some good Instagram pictures, this is definitely some of the best place. I mean, this is definitely one of the best places to come and click some pictures. And look at the sky, it's absolutely beautiful. So let's just look at Baga beach. If you've not seen my Baga beach vlog, definitely do check it out on my channel. I'll put it down in the link. I'll put the link down in the description below or in the comment section. So as you can see over here, it's very beautiful. The shack over there, which is St. Anthony's, is open, and it has a beautiful view. So definitely check out my Baga vlog and you will see that. So this is the Baga beach logo here. So guys, this is the beautiful Baga Creek. Definitely come here, you'll have an incredible time. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll be more than happy to help. I'll also put the location here in the comment section, so you can find it, or I'll put it in the description, so it'll be very easy for you to find. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below. And if you're coming to Goa guys, you're gonna enjoy this place. Look at this place, it's absolutely beautiful. So thank you for watching.